some dragon blood on the side while you at it. Put some of that in it if it's gonna clear this skin up, baby, and make me look refreshed. Hey ladies, it is Chadney here, and I am back. Today, we're gonna do another video that all of us need to do, which is wash our So I've incorporated some new products that I'm going to try out, and I wanted to bring you all along with me just in case you're somebody like me that is searching for a type of skincare product or routine to deal with your type of skin. My skin has always been very, very dry. It ain't no combination. It's just been dry, okay? Like dry, like snake dry. Excuse my shirt. I don't know what my lint roller is, but mind your business. Not only am I dry, my skin is very, very sensitive. Like it literally will hurt to wipe a rag over my skin. I have gone through all types of different products, those claiming that it's for sensitive skin and it ends up still burning my skin, or that it's not harsh chemicals and then I end up breaking out or getting rashes or anything of that sort. I've tried the most expensive products all the way down to the basic. My grandmother, before she passed away, all throughout the years, she's always used the basic witch hazel soap and water. That's it, that's all. Don't put a lot of chemicals on your face. Don't put a lot of smell good lotions and things of that sort, because that's just not how our skin was made. Some of these I've caused, some of these I was just born with. The dry skin, girl, I don't know which parent gave me that, but it's just a shame. It is just a shame what they did to me. What they did to me, okay? I'm coming to you live in color, letting it hang, flaws and all. So I'll tell you a little bit about my face. Depending on the seasons, it will shed a lot. It will peel a lot. I have to watch the type of soap that I actually use on my full body. I have to watch the hand soap that I'm using on my hands. I have to watch the soap, the dish washing soap that I use for the dishes. I have to watch the laundry detergent that I put on because it will break my skin out. That is how sensitive my skin is. So trying to find something that treats sensitive skin and dry skin and actually works, like don't sell me the dream, just do it sis for me. Yeah, so I have partnered up with a new company named MixEasy. Shout out to MixEasy for sending me these products and allowing me to test them out and try them out. This is going to be a new staple in my routine. A little bit of background behind me. I have a lot of anxiety, okay? Now it's better now, but I had dealt with a lot of anxiety. I also have PCOS. So with PCOS, you know that you can get, it's hormonal, and you can get a lot of hair on your face and all this other kind of stuff. So hair just start coming from out of nowhere, girl, okay? And mainly, let me tell you about my chin area. So that is one of the biggest insecurities that I have. I'm going ahead and put that out there for you, but it's an insecurity that I created. It's not a thing that I couldn't help. Now, of course, with the PCOS or whatever, I'm still, working on that and getting that treated and stuff. It's very common out here, so it's not something where I'm just like extremely devastated. But I don't like some of the stuff that she be bringing. Miss PCOS, I'm working to get rid of you, okay? Because you're not welcome here. Love don't live here. Ain't no love on this side of town for you, girl. The PCOS that is causing hair growth on my face that I would not prefer, specifically my chin and my upper lip area. I began to pick with my chin, my anxiety. If I was stressed out, if I was going through something, if I was it's almost like nail biters and stuff. It was like a tick for me. And so my thing was to pick my face. So of course you can see there's dark spots left on my face. So now I'm dealing with dry skin, I'm dealing with sensitive skin, and I'm dealing with leftover blemishes from picking with my face, from anxiety, and from trying to get the hair out with tweezers and things of that sort from my PCOS. So that's why I say that I kind of cause the insecurity when it comes down to the blemishes that's on my face, because I knew not to pick my face, yet I was doing it. I'm doing a better job with picking. I do waxes and things of that sort, and I am looking towards like the laser hair removal and stuff like that. But in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna do what we need to do. So now I'm trying to correct, of course, from within. It starts from within. You need to make sure you eat healthy. You need to make sure you're drinking plenty of water and things of that sort. This month I'm on all water. No sodas, no nothing like that. It's all water. So I have noticed that it's cleared my face up quite a bit. Comment down below if y'all had that microblading thing and let me know how that worked. Also, if you have PCOS, comment down below whatever your symptoms are. If it's a lot of hair everywhere or whatever, like the brand is representing the experience, in my opinion. What got me on board, you can literally mix and make your own product. How dope is that? It's super dope that you can literally go on a website who for one is using natural products and oils and herbs and things of that sort to make these formulas specifically for you. I'm going to read off of my list so I can let y'all know what I got, and then I'm going to show you the product. So the face cleanser is for dry skin and it is fragrance free. So if I'm trying to find something to help my skin, why would I get something with fragrance in it? The key ingredients in the face wash, I'm finna mess up some of these names, I'm gonna let you know. But go to cola extract, Iceland moss extract, licorice root extract, elderflower extract, and dragon's blood extract. And I didn't know what dragon's blood was. Last time I knew dragons wasn't real. But baby, if they are, I need, and they blood help me out and help clean his face up. Give me some dragon's blood, okay? Give me some of that. So girl, it was exotic. So I said, throw me in some dragon's blood on the side while you at it. Throw me some dragon blood on the side while you at it. Put some of that in it if it's gonna clear this skin up, baby, and make me look refreshed. They threw some dragon blood extract in there for me. I wasn't going through just picking the ingredients based off of the name, okay? I know that one, it sounds funny, but if you go to the website, and I'll try to post it as well, but if you go to the website, it will tell you what these ingredients do for you. So if you need to clear up blemishes, or if you have extra dry skin, or if you need like collagen or youthfulness, it tells you what each one of those ingredients provide for you. Like every product is different with the company, but just imagine being able to treat it all in one single product. Let's get to the face cream. So the face cream is also for dry skin. Look at that, both of them are for dry skin. This one is honey and milk. Honey remind me of Silver and Gold, the gospel song. Of course, the key ingredients for this is arnica extract, marshmallow extract, parsley extract, kiwi extract, licorice root extract. So another thing about this, I want to be able to understand the ingredients that is in my product. And the reason why is because a lot of products are very harmful to your body and you don't even know, and you're just putting it on your face. So I looked at some of these and was like, okay, well, you said it does this, you said it does that, you said it does this. It's also a natural ingredient as well. Also, I know I got some of these in my kitchen. What more do you want? And I'm done with it. So let me go ahead and get into how I actually just wash my face and moisturize it. Y'all, I'm really not a girly girl, but when y'all put a pretty pink and vibrant colors together, I be feeling like a girl. Here is the MixEasy Gentle Face Cleanser. This is a 5.7 ounce bottle. So it has a cute little silver top. And with that top, you just pop it open. This is the MixEasy Face Cream. Unique formula to who? To Chad. This is a 1.69 ounce bottle. Again, very, very pretty packaging. If you don't have one of those machines, you could definitely go to the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, get one of these face brushes and call it a day. But I am gonna go back and I am gonna get their spin machines. This is all I'm gonna be using today. All right, so I'm going to wipe my face a little bit, and we're going to use the cleanser first. So it's not thick at all. It's a nice thin kind of consistency, but it's not watery either. Experienced any type of burning or anything yet. Usually by this point I will be experiencing burning, but I'm not whatsoever. So let's just go ahead and scrub a little gently. Okay, so I will say that it's a very, very light formula. It's very light. It has not irritated my skin whatsoever. That is a thumbs up. Thank you, God. It was really easy to wash off. As a matter of fact, my hands even feel soft. I don't feel any itching or anything like that. Any irritations as of yet. I did scrub my face a little bit with the brush. So if you see red spots, it's just because that's how it goes with my skin. Normally, I would add some type of moisturizer afterwards. So I'm going to use the face cream and see how this goes. Oh, this smells good. And it's thick. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like milk and honey, silver and gold. Extract to get rid of discoloration and blemishes left by like acne scars and stuff. So I'm getting it in there. Do you hear me? My eyebrows will shed so bad. Like, who eyebrows shed because they dry? Like, come on now. So I'm going to incorporate this in my daily routine so we can get some results and see where we're going. See where we came from and see where we're going, okay? Because some gotta give, and hopefully it's MixEasy. You know, also something that I'm noticing, I like the smooth finish that it's giving me because I'm about to put my makeup on. And with that being said, you want to make sure you have a smooth finish. So it feels really, really smooth, almost like I done already put some primer and stuff on. So that is a good sign as well when it comes down to me getting prepared to put on my makeup. I will do updates for you guys if you are interested. If you are interested in this product, I will make sure that I put the link down below for you guys. There's a discount code, because who sent you? Chatney. So if you're interested in these products, you can use my discount code, which is my name, Chatney, not Chatney B, just Chatney. We want to have good skin. We want to be able to be in control of what we put on our skin, and we want to save our coins. Ensure that you have the best skin that you can walk outside with every day and feel as confident as you deserve to feel. I'm out of here. You ain't got no dragon blood in your face wash, do you? But I got it in mine, and you can have it in yours too. Try it out, sis. You gonna like it because I like it. I really did enjoy using these products. I'm not telling you that just to say it. I just feel the difference already in my skin. I think my skin knows when it doesn't like something right away. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you want more types of videos like this with skincare or talking about issues that skincare can stem from, like I spoke to you earlier about anxiety or PCOS, you know, if you're not aware of it, or if it's something that you are aware of but you don't have a community, let's create one, okay? Because everybody needs to be in the know. So again, thanks so much for taking the time out to watch this video. Check MixEasy out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, sis. And yeah, I will catch you on the next video, guys. Bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. Now I need to moisturize these lips, honey, because they're super dry.